got her. We got her. Like, this is the best place. I do recommend coming to this place if you're in Bradenton. I do recommend it. Like, the employees are very, very nice, and like, they will get your stuff done. I'm so excited, guys. If you guys can see my face right now, I am excited to get Big Bertha back. Whew. Finally. Got 20 in this big girl. Oh yeah. I am excited. I got Big Bertha back. Oh yes. But as you can see, I did the thing. I'm at the conversion almost. Looks pretty good. The guy that was did the rebuild, the shop, he said that when they was walking by the truck, they shirt caught onto this. So I don't know if I had a body thing, if I could find one. I see some, like I said, I saw some for $85. And I'm thinking about it big time. And I think the color is off. This color is way off. Look at it. This color is off. I thought I got the right color, but I didn't. Oh, that's off. Oh, that's terribly off. All right, so back to the drawing board. What color was that? I'm trying to see what color this was, because this is the color I was trying to get. Oh well. Next is trying to find some more spray paint for it. All right. Yep, definitely cleaner. Start up for you. Oh, she's happy. Oh, she's happy. Oh well, they didn't put that back on. Not a big deal. Not a big deal, but how quiet she is, other than the injectors. Nice. I still have to fix that the AC fan thing. I'll listen to her. See, so I still gotta get a tire. I'll show you the fan I'm talking about. Under here, I gotta move this wire right here. We gotta turn on. There you go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to clean it too. But did you know that this truck, I ain't even know this truck could do that. Watch this. I ain't know this could do that. I'm trying to, oh, wait. You click this, make sure it's in the middle, okay, it will shut off. But if you push the button, watch this. It folds in. Look how fancy that is. Nice. So let me shut it down. But I'm glad that she is back. I'm very, very glad that she's back. So next, what you guys say? Next is to get the side panels painted again, the same color as that. This time I'm gonna get the paint code to that truck. But like I was saying, this part right here is for the rear of the truck. Watch, it's for that. As you can see, it's gonna look real nice once I'm done with it. So I'll do some work. Yeah, I had thought that it wasn't fitting, but it does fit. I just got to remove this emblem, and you know. But yeah. But here in real life, right in real time, right here, as you can see that little piece right there. So either or, I might take these off, put the Suburban back on, but I don't know. I had a lot of time thinking about it, but driving behind it, it looks real nice. The Cadillac look real good. Definitely gonna have to do another coat of that. Yep, I think they kind of nicked it right there, but it's not a big deal. I'm gonna repaint it anyway. So I'm gonna try to get the color code of the truck off the door and go from there. Perfecto. So as usual, if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we will be painting the fenders the same color as the truck, because that color was off. That's the same color as that Mercedes. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and give me your thoughts on it, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.